Hi everyone, welcome back. I've been driving a motor car or having a motor car for more than 40 years of my life, but I'm not a mechanic. Now I know that there are some people out there who know how the engine works and the chassis works and how everything works together. I'm not like that. I am not mechanically minded at all. But there's one thing I know, and that's the sound. I listen to the sound of the engine. I listen to the sound of the bodywork. When there's something that's not right, I can hear it and I need to fix it. My ears have become in tune, as it were. And you see, that's the attitude that God needs us to have in our walk with Him. Psalm 62 says, "My soul, wait thou in silence for God alone, for my expectation is from Him." Psalm 46 verse 5 says, "Be still and know that I am God. I will be exalted among the nations. I will be exalted in the earth." The discipline of being still before God is something that every one of us needs to work at. Now, years ago in the 1960s, there was a famous song written by Simon and Garfunkel called "The Sound of Silence." And the meaning of the song is literally the inability of people to communicate with each other. The result is darkness, misunderstanding, and so on. See, God is not calling us to silence. God is calling us to be still in heart. Silence is an outward aura or atmosphere, but stillness is an attitude of heart where I come before God and I'm seeking and looking to Him for His word and His direction. Paul says in Romans 8, "For those who live according to the flesh set their mind on the things of the flesh, but those who live according to the Spirit, the things of the Spirit." He says in Colossians chapter 3, "Set your mind on things above, not on earthly things." Set your mind, focus your heart. Be still. In the midst of the storm, in the midst of adversity, tune your heart to God. Seek God with your heart to find Him, to hear Him, and to receive what He has for you. God bless.